Hey ETalkers, Courtney here, showing you how to make some fun meals using only your microwave. So we're going to be making a chocolate cake in the mug, and all you need to do is add a quarter of a cup of flour, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then a little bit of vanilla, and a little bit of salt. Although it takes a while to mix, once you put it in the microwave, it should only take about 2 minutes.
Other easy things you can make is scrambled eggs for breakfast, mac and cheese for lunch and dinner, and dessert. I'm Courtney, and this has been ETalk.